Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Are you looking for the? In this video we will look at Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, US version, 1TB, white titanium unlocked, renewed, stunning titanium design. iPhone 16 Pro Max has a strong and light titanium design with a larger 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's remarkably durable with the latest generation ceramic shield material that's 2x tougher than any smartphone glass. Built for Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data. Take total camera control. Camera control gives you an easier way to quickly access camera tools, like zoom or depth of field, so you can take the perfect shot in record time. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, US version, renewed. Model, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Color, white titanium. Storage, 1TB. Condition, renewed, like new. Carrier, factory unlocked. Release year, 2025, expected. Build-in design. Frame material, grade 5 titanium, stronger and lighter than stainless steel. Back material, textured matte glass, anti-glare, premium finish. Front protection, ceramic shield glass, Apple's toughest front glass. Dust and water resistance, IP68 certified, up to 6M for 30 minutes. Size and weight, around 6.9-inch display, 230G, slim and comfortable. Battery and charging. Battery life, 29+ hours video playback. Charging. Wired, USB-C 50% in 30 minutes with 20W adapter. MagSafe wireless charging, up to 15W. Qi charging support. Reverse charging, possibly supported, for AirPods or Apple Watch. Connectivity. 5G, sub-6 GHz and mmWave, blazing fast download/upload speeds. Wi-Fi 6E, ultra-fast, low latency. Bluetooth 5.3, stronger, more energy efficient. Ultra-wideband, UWB, Chip 2, improved precision tracking, for AirTag, Vision Pro. Professional camera system. Rear cameras. Main camera, 48MP quad-pixel sensor, f/1.7 aperture. Ultra-wide, 12MP with macro photography support. Telephoto, 12MP with 5x optical zoom, tetraprism lens. LiDAR scanner, depth mapping for AR and night portraits. ProRAW and ProRes, professional image and video formats. Night mode, Smart HDR5, Deep Fusion, and Photonic Engine. Front camera. 12MP True Depth camera, autofocus, 4K at 60 fps, FaceTime HD. Face ID built-in. Video features. 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30, or 60 frames per second. Cinematic mode, 4K HDR at 30 frames per second. Action mode, super stabilization. Slow mo 1080p at 120/240 fps. ProRes video up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Audio zoom, stereo recording. Performance and software. Chipset, Apple A18 Pro, 3nm chip. Up to 25% faster CPU. Next-gen 6-core GPU for console-level gaming. Neural engine, real-time AI processing, smarter Siri. OS, ships with iOS 18. Storage, massive 1TB NVMe, ideal for creators, 4K video. AI features, iOS 18 plus A18 Pro. AI-powered background blur, transcription, smart reply. Live language translation in real time. Smarter Siri with on-device processing. Visual lookup, identify objects, plants, and text in photos. New features, unique to iPhone 16 Pro Max. Action button, fully customizable, camera, silent, shortcuts. USB-C port, supports faster data transfer up to 10 gigabits per second. Improved thermal design, cooler under heavy use. Spatial video recording, for Apple Vision Pro compatibility. What comes in the box? Renewed units. iPhone 16 Pro Max, fully functional and cleaned. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Box, may be generic. Accessories, may be aftermarket but fully compatible. No earpods or charger, as per Apple's latest policy. Why choose a renewed iPhone 16 Pro Max? Save hundreds of dollars compared to new. Eco-friendly, reduces e-waste. Tested and certified to work like new. Battery health typically 85 to 100%. 90-day to 1-year seller warranty, depends on seller.